Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Ford Bronco with a standard bumper. We've installed a 40-inch Pro Series curved light bar. I want to show you exactly how much additional light you get with this product. So these are the factory low beams on the vehicle. I'm going to turn on the light bar so that way you guys can see how much light you actually get. Take a look, everything in front of you lit up. Without the light bar, you couldn't even see the tree that's in front of us. And with the light bar, you can see all the nature, you can see the fence in the background. Let's go ahead and compare this with the high beams. So these are the factory lows, these are the factory high beams, and this is the 40-inch light bar. Even with the high beams on, there's a huge advantage of having these light bars. Everything is super bright. I also want to point out that the Pro Series light bars, they come in a combo beam pattern, meaning that most of the LEDs are throwing light forward, but the outside LEDs are actually in a flood pattern, so they're capable of scattering light on the outskirts, giving you a little bit more of a peripheral view. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are going to love this product, and please tune in to the step-by-step installation instruction.